Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Encoder-Decoder Models. Understanding AI's translation and summarization powers. Imagine you want a computer to translate text from English to Spanish. Or to take a really long article and boil it down to just a few sentences. How does it do that? This isn't just about finding words in a dictionary. It's about understanding meaning and then expressing it differently. Today, we're diving into encoder-decoder models, the genius behind these powerful AI capabilities. As developers, we know computers are great with numbers and logic, but they don't understand human languages or concepts the way we do. If you give a computer the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat," it sees a sequence of characters. Not a fluffy feline resting on a rug. The challenge is to get the computer to grasp the asterisk idea of that sentence and then regenerate it in a different form, be it another language or a shorter version. Think of the encoder as the AI's special listener or reader. Its job is to take your original input, let's say an English sentence like, "I am learning AI," and process it. It doesn't just memorize the words. It tries to understand the full context and meaning of the entire sentence. It then condenses all that understanding into a highly compressed, numerical representation. Analogously, it's like you reading a complex paragraph and then forming a single, concise, mental summary of its core message. What the encoder produces is called a context vector, or sometimes thought vector. This is the crucial link. It's not a word, or even a sentence. It's a highly dense series of numbers that represents the asterisk essence or meaning of the input. Imagine it as the AI's internal thought bubble, a pure, abstract representation of what was said, completely independent of the original language or length. It's like a zipped file containing all the critical information, ready to be unzipped later. Now, enter the decoder. This is the AI's speaker or writer. Its job is to take that context vector, that numerical thought bubble of meaning, and transform it into the desired output. If we're translating, it turns the thought into a sentence in a different language. If we're summarizing, it turns a long thought into a short thought expressed concisely. It does this word by word, always referring back to that thought bubble to make sure the generated output accurately reflects the original meaning. Let's trace "Hello World" to "Bonjour le monde." Single quote dot 1. Encoder asterisk reads "Hello World." Single quote understands its greeting nature, and compresses this meaning into a context vector, our thought bubble. 2. Decoder asterisk receives this thought bubble, knowing it needs to output French. It starts generating bonjour, consults thought, then le, consults thought, then monde, single quote, consults thought. It builds the output sentence step by step, ensuring each word contributes to expressing the original thought in the new language. The beauty of encoder-decoder models is their versatility. For summarization, the encoder grasps the core meaning of a long document, producing a context vector. The decoder then generates a shorter output sentence or paragraph that captures that same core meaning. This architecture is also fundamental for chatbots. Asterisk encoder takes your question. Decoder generates the answer. Image captioning. Asterisk encoder analyzes an image. Decoder generates a text description. Code generation. Asterisk encoder understands a natural language request. Decoder writes code. Understanding encoder-decoder models is key to grasping how many modern AI applications work. As a developer, you might not build these models from scratch every day, but knowing their architecture allows you to effectively use pre-trained models. like those behind ChatGPT for various tasks, troubleshoot issues, and imagine new ways to integrate AI into your own applications. It's a foundational concept for transforming data from one meaningful form to another, making AI truly intelligent in communication. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.